Hey there. Question for you guys that handle more of the billing. I got a really weird double billing thing going on. So I have the IRP group main, right? And then we have it looking at the IRP group subcode. So this is for WellPoint here in Washington. And so you can see right here, $53 charge for the sub and a $23 charge for the main. So pretty standard, right? So we're going to jump over here. Double check that I'm WellPoint. So then let's just go do a prog note for that, right? IRP main, group main, and I was present, and communication, I suppose, create. So we're going to go ahead and create that prog note for me, right? And so that should create a ledger for that, right? And so it did. It created two ledgers, one for the 53, one for the 24, claims they're a bundled charge, points to the other one, blah, 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 right? So far everything looks correct, right? So now let's go bill for that. Let's see, that was today. So let's go bill for that. And we'll go accounting, billing, insurance billing. Let's do it by date. And back it up a day. Move it forward by a day. And we'll use WellPoint for our funding source. Text, rebill. We've already billed, it should show up. But anyway, so we'll run this real quick and we should see that for me, right? So here's what I don't understand, I guess. Am I supposed to generate a bill for both of these? Because right now, the system as we got it from Charles has an asterisk here. And it says this means that the patient's ID number has an asterisk. So this doesn't mean what this says it means. So what I'm noticing is this, right? So we'll go ahead and bill for both of these, right? Because it should bundle them, I guess, or maybe one of them shouldn't show. So we'll generate a billing, and it's going to generate the billing doc. And so we're going to look through the billing doc. And this looks correct, right? So these are the two different charges with the two different fee structures. And so the total is $73, right? But then come down here and it creates a whole another one for the basic. For the sub charge, and I don't for the life of me understand why it's doing that. So if we were to go over here and go to documents, obviously it's doing the same thing in the document, right? We created the two documents, those documents being those billing documents. So if I don't check the asterisk one and I just bill this and say generate, it creates me the billing document with the two charges for the one event, and then in addition to that it creates me just one billing document in the documents piece. So are we not supposed to be billing for the ones with an asterisk next to them, or are you guys seeing those? I guess I'm just looking for maybe I'm just missing something simple. Anyway, feedback would be cool. Thanks.